Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that this is my third Colourpop video in a row, but y'all can blame Colourpop for that because they don't sleep and they keep coming out with new stuff every time I look. I just got another package yesterday of like the new blue mascara, and then I got one today of this stuff, so Colourpop, you guys don't sleep. I'm so excited for this collection. So as you guys can see by the title, today we're going to be reviewing the new Colourpop. Is it the yellow collection? I don't even know. The yellow honey collection, whatever it is. Every time I go on Colourpop's Instagram, somebody is asking for a yellow palette. Me included. I've been asking for a yellow palette for a while. And they finally did it, so I'm super excited. This is the palette. This is the main star of the show, obviously. And it's another one of their monochromatic 9-pan palettes. You guys know these are my favorite palettes from Colourpop. So today we're just going to be playing around with this new collection, doing a little tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now using the collection. So just go ahead and get into it. I'll give you guys some information and what is in this collection. I will also include some swatches of the products that I can swatch as I'm talking about them. So the first thing that we have in this collection is the Honey palette. This retails for $12. 5 mattes, 3 metallics, and 1 pressed glitter. And this is what she looks like. It is beautiful. It is so pretty. I want to mention this really quick because I just realized this as I was filming the outro to this video. The pressed glitter in here, which is called Palooza, was actually part of the festival collection as the single pressed glitter, so it's in this palette just in case anyone was wondering. The next thing that we have in this collection is the Pocketful Loose Pigment Duo. This retails for $12, and in the little duo we have the Full For You Loose Pigment and the Lion Loose Pigment. These are re-promoted shades. These are already existing shades in the line. The Lion is one of Kathleen's Zodiac pigments. Next thing that we have in this collection is the Catch Some Sun brush set. 6 brushes in here, and it retails for $20. And excuse them, I just used them for this look, but these are the brushes in here. I don't believe any of these are new brushes. They're just their existing brushes in a set, which I'm really glad that they did because I don't think they have a brush set right now, and $20 is super cheap. 6 brushes. So in the brush set we have the E2 brush, which is a nice fluffy blending brush. We have the E1, which is a little bit smaller fluffy brush. The E11, which is like a flat smudger kind of defining brush. The E3, which I have a few of these, is just like a nice lid packing shadow brush. And then we have the E5, which is a nice fluffy pencil brush. And lastly, we have the F12, which I don't know what this brush's specific purpose is, but I used it to apply my eye primer and it worked great. Last but not least, we have the Here We Glow Again face bundle. So this is just like the little bundle that came in the birthday watermelon collection with some 4th grade beauty products in here. So in this little set we have the Glow Up face oil that I spilled all over myself earlier, so everything is all oily right now, including that. Then we have the Tumeric face milk. This actually is brand new. I believe it has already launched or is about to launch probably tomorrow or something. I don't know. I saw it on the 4th grade Instagram, but this is like brand new, so it's coming in this collection. And then we have the Squeeze the Day lippy scrub. I don't believe that this smells like anything crazy. I smell like a slight like lemon scent, but honestly it doesn't smell like the watermelon one. The watermelon one, that one smells like watermelon, like that's straight up watermelon. This one I don't really smell anything, or it's just really faint. I don't know, but that retails for $24. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this today, which is Wednesday, but this collection does launch Thursday, June 27th at 8 a.m. PST. They're launching it super early this time. They usually launch at 10 a.m. but they're launching at 8 a.m. PST. So I will link that down below once the collection is live. I will also list all the products down below in this collection along with pricing, and I will update the description box as the site goes live. Usually they do have bundles and stuff. It doesn't say anything like that on the card. Usually when the site launches, they'll usually include some bundles. I will update that down below in the description box once I do find out any other products or like bundles that are going to be part of this collection. I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the palette as well as some of the other products in this collection, and I will give you guys my final thoughts and review at the end of the video. So if you guys want to see how to get to this look right here and hear my review on this collection, then just keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Here We Glow Again little skincare set. It's the same thing as the birthday collection where it came with an oil, a face milk, and a lippy scrub. So we have the Glow Up face oil from 4th grade, the Tumeric face milk from 4th grade, which is actually new. I think it's either already launched or is about to launch. And then we have the Squeeze the Day lippy scrub. So I already have some lip balm on right now, so I'm not going to use this, but I did use the watermelon one from the watermelon birthday collection and I really liked it, so we don't need to try that, but I'm sure it's just as good. This is the Tumeric face milk and my skin's like super dry right now, so it doesn't really smell like anything, whereas like the watermelon one smelled like watermelon. I'm just rubbing that in. This feels like all the other face milks, which I love. I love the face milk formula. It's super lightweight and I like to use them during the day. Oh my god, I just spilled oil all over me. There's freaking oil all over my pants, all over my desk right now. Love that. Okay, I'm not even gonna try to pick this up right now because there's oil everywhere, so that's lovely. But I'm taking the Glow Up face oil. I'm just going to take like a little drop and apply that. I don't want to apply too much. I don't like to apply too much oil before I do my makeup. Okay, so let's move on to the eyes. I'm going to be taking the Honey palette, obviously. So I'm going to prime my eyes really quick. I'm using the Anastasia eye primer. One of the brushes in here would actually be really good to apply the primer with. This brush right here, the F12. I feel like this is a really good brush to kind of put that on. Yeah, if you guys have the Anastasia eye primer, I feel like this brush in the brush set is really good to apply that. I'm going to start off with Sweet Spot, which is this shade right here. I'm taking the E2 from the brush set and I'm just going to pack that on. Ooh, 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 she's pigmented. Okay. So I'm just packing that on and then blending it out. I feel like this is a really nice yellow. It's blending out really nicely. It's nice and vibrant. And this is the E1. I'm gonna take Oh Behave, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna apply this to the lower part of my crease. This one's just like a little bit darker and a little bit warmer. I don't know, this one's kind of more like a white based yellow, while this one is more like yellowy yellow, if that makes sense. Oh, actually you can tell on camera this one has like just a little bit more, I want to say more yellow, but they're both yellow, but you can tell that this one's more of like a white based yellow, while this one is just like true canary yellow. Is it canary yellow? I don't know. I'm gonna take the brush that we were using before to kind of blend out any edges. That's right, I love it. Ooh, I'm so happy. I love this yellow so far. Taking a little bit more of Oh Behave and putting that on my lid. Not too much, but I just want something underneath for the next shade I'm going to take, which is Sunburst. And when I swatched this shade, I was like, ooh, this is super pretty. It almost has like a silver reflect in it. So I'm just going to put that on with my... Oh, wow. Okay, I'm just going to put that on with my finger. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Okay, I take it back. It doesn't have like a silver. It's almost like a green blue. I don't know, but this is honestly one of the prettiest eyeshadows ever. It has such a unique like reflect in it. It's not just like yellow. I have that on the brush in the brush set, which is the E3 brush. And I kind of want to spray it with some setting spray. See if it goes on a little bit more intense. When you wet it, it really brings out that metallic, I don't know. It is such a pretty shimmer though, and it has such a beautiful reflect in it. It's like green, like a yellowy green reflect, and I'm obsessed. I don't know if like the camera will even do this justice. It's just one of those shades that you have to apply and see it in person. I'm gonna take the pressed glitter in the palette, which is Palooza, this middle shade right here. I'm gonna kind of do what I did in my last video. Yeah, my last video with the pressed glitter, and just kind of add like a little bit of sparkle. I don't want to do like too much, but this one has like a pink orange reflect, so I kind of just want to put that maybe in the center because I don't really want to lose that other shimmer. Do you guys see? It just kind of adds like a little something. When you close your eye, that's kind of mostly what you see, but when your eyes open, you can mostly see the shimmer. Is it a look? I don't know, but I kind of like it. I was going to apply loose pigments from the duo in this collection, but these are already existing shades, and I felt like I'd rather showcase the shades in the palette more so than the pigments. I'm just going to keep it like this on the eyes for right now, and we'll come back into the lower lash line. but I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and just did like my foundation and blush and everything. Move on. I'm gonna just take Oh Behave on my lower lash line, and this is the E5, another brush in the brush set. So I'm just gonna apply that. I'm gonna mix a little bit of Sweet Spot, which was the 2 yellows that we used. Add more of the browns in here. I feel like that might make the look less yellow if I do that, and I want to keep it pretty bright. Let's see, I'll take a little bit of Buzzkill, which is the brown on the bottom over here, and I'm going to take it on this brush, which is the E11, and really just focus that like right at the lash line. So I added like a tad bit of depth, you know, but I don't want to lose the yellow. So I'm taking Sweet Tooth, which was the first yellow that we used, to kind of blend that out. I take Dandy, which is this nice bright gold color right here. Just taking that on the pencil brush and putting that on the inner part of my lower lash line, just to add some shimmer there. That's really pretty. I love adding shimmer right there on that part of the inner lower lash line. I'm just gonna take Sunburst, which was the shade that we used on the lid that I love. I'm gonna just take that on the inner corner because I can't get enough of it and I want to use it literally everywhere. It is just so pretty. Ooh, when you really pack it on like that on the inner corner, it almost looks like a neon yellowy green. It's so stunning. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of the eyes. Well, I'm just gonna put lashes on and stuff. Then I'll come back and just do the lips, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on this collection. Okay, so I went ahead and applied some lashes. These are the Rouge and Rogue Lady Killer lashes. I just wanted something a little bit light so I could still see the shadow and everything, you know. So for lips, I'm actually gonna go in with my favorite lip combo, and it's Makeup Shayla's BFF3 lip liner and the Slow Down liquid lip. I felt like this lip combo would be perfect for this. I actually went ahead and changed my lashes just because the other ones I felt like were making my eyes look small or something. I don't know. But these are from Time Los Angeles. I believe these are Luna. They don't have a name on it, but I'm pretty sure they're Luna because those ones are my favorites and they look just like it. So anyways, this is the finished look. I just applied my lip color. I love the brown with the yellow. But anyways, let me give you guys my final thoughts on this collection. I love it. I love it so much. You guys know I love the little monochromatic 9-pan palettes. I wear a lot of monochromatic looks. I love matching everything. So I love when they come out with the little 9-pan palettes, and I'm so happy to add them to my little stack. You guys know I have my little stack of the 9 pans right here, and it just looks so pretty on my vanity with all the colors. It really inspires me every single day. Love the shadows in here. That lid shade Sunburst. Is it Sunburst or Starburst? Sunburst. It is beautiful. Probably one of my favorite eyeshadows that Colourpop has ever come out with. I think it is such a beautiful, unique shimmer, and I love the way it looks with this eye look. I really like the pressed glitter in here too. I think it looks, actually, is this one of the shades that it is? I knew that this pressed glitter looked familiar. So this was actually one of the ones I believe that came out with the spring collection. If you guys remember that video, it was with all the pressed glitters and everything. So that's why it looks so familiar. Okay, yeah, so I actually already like this pressed glitter, and I'm really happy that they put it in here. I think they did a really good job with the yellow palette. There's only so many ways you can do yellow and different variations of yellow, you know, so I think they did a good job adding transition shades, the bright yellows, the more yellowy orangey brown colors to kind of, if you're not super fond of doing like bright all over yellow looks, you still do like a neutral look and then add some yellow to it to kind of have some fun. If you're not super comfortable wearing bright yellow eyeshadow, I love to do yellow all over the eye. I think it just makes me feel super happy. Yellow always makes me really happy, so I do like yellow all over my eye. It just puts me in a really good mood. But I know that not everyone likes just yellow all over, so I think that they did a good job adding the golds and the browns in here to kind of neutral it up a little bit and like make it a little bit more wearable. Also, the browns in here are still like yellow based browns, and I think it's such a pretty palette. It doesn't look like, oh, another palette with browns and a pop of yellow in there. I think this is still a pretty good, well-rounded palette. I also really like this brush set. I wish that the brushes were yellow, but 6 brushes for 20 bucks I think is a steal. It's such a good price. I think these are all really good brushes in here. I did my entire eye look with all the brushes. I didn't use any other brushes. If you guys don't already have these loose pigments, I would definitely say pick it up. Really pretty colors, and I think they go very well with the palette. However, if you already have these, obviously I would say skip it. They're just re-promoted. Here We Glow Again face bundle with the skincare stuff. I love Fourth Ray Beauty, so I'm really happy that they're incorporating some more Fourth Ray stuff into like the collections. I think it's really fun. Love the Fourth Ray face milks. Obviously this is a new turmeric one, so I haven't like tried it out, but I love the watermelon one, so I'm excited to keep using this one. If you guys want to try some stuff out from Fourth Ray Beauty and you haven't yet, and you kind of want to dip your toes into it a little bit, then this is a good little set. This one is 24 bucks. I'd say if you don't want to buy the entire collection, I'm sure there will be a bundle or something, but if you guys don't want to buy the entire collection, I would say pick up the palette, obviously, and the brush set. I think those two are like definitely must-haves for me. Super hard to find good yellow eyeshadows. I have very few. One of them is like the Sugar Pill yellow eyeshadow, and then a couple in like some other palettes, but it's honestly very rare to come across good pigmented, bright, vibrant yellows, and I think, as always, they killed it with this palette. It's really pretty. I love this collection. I love yellow. It's my second favorite color besides lavender. I think they waited for like the perfect time to drop this for summer because it just really, the yellow is just screaming summer to me. Anyways, I hope that you guys like this video. Let me know down below what you guys are going to pick up from this collection. Are you guys going to pick anything up, or are you guys going to skip on some stuff? I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.